Welcome back, guys, to another video of Trains Out. Today we're at Keynsham on the Great Western Mainline. Passing through there was 1 hour 13, bound for London Paddington from Bristol Temple Meads. I come in on to V85 on a Weymouth to Bristol Temple Meads service. So yeah, let's see what shall turn up here at Keynsham. Coming in there is 166219 on the 0919 Great Western Railway service to Gloucester. This is running 2E56. Leaving there is the 919 Great Western Railway service to Gloucester. 166219. About to come through now is 1 F09 running a Cardiff Central to Portsmouth Harbour service. Formed of 166217 bound for Portsmouth Harbour. Coming through now is 1 Alpha 13 on the Bristol Temple Meads to London Paddington service. Formed of another IET. $800 hauling that one up to the capital. There was 1 Charlie 05 on a London Paddington to Bristol Temple Meads service. Sorry I did not get the numbers. That is the 9:29 pass, running 1 minute early. Leaving now is the 9:47 service to Weymouth. That's passed through now as 1 Charlie 06 on a London Paddington to Bristol Temple Meads service. About to pass through now is 1 Alpha 15 on the Bristol Temple Meads to London Paddington service. I'm going to say it's formed with a double pairing of IETs, but it might be 800-3, we're about to find out. Oh, that's a -3. along with the end of my video at Keynsham. If you have enjoyed the video, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you're new. Push the notification bell if you never want to miss out on the next video. And yeah, I do enjoy going to Keynsham. It's got a great view looking down towards Bristol, and I would recommend it for people. There's about 2 stopping trains an hour though, which is a bit rubbish. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you next.